Today I have the Mighty Mug. Let's jump in and see what this is. So this is the Mighty Mug. It claims the mug that won't fall over. It has a powered smart grip technology. Grips to any smooth, flat surface. It's solid. When accidentally bump it into it, but magically lifts up naturally. So 16 ounce or 0.47 liter capacity. BPA free, car cup holder friendly, tap rack, dishwasher safe, 100% happiness. Mighty Mug will always work. If not, we will replace it. Don't let this happen with your stuff. Save your stuff with Mighty Mug. Then, not much to show, so let's just get into this thing. It's pretty basic unboxing. Nothing else. It's cool. So this is the mug. Extended lifetime warranty. Will replace your Mighty Mug at any time. If you're not 100% happy, see themightymug.com for details. Special offer. Unlimited edition Mighty Mug, exclusive contest with great prizes. Share your opinions on what Mighty Mugs you think we should make. And different languages. Put that off to the side. Put this off to the side. Along with this stuff off to the side. Everything's in the way. So, I'm placing it down on the... This is the little contraption here, sort of a suction cup technology, some of their own. So I place it down. I can't. So it's basically just for like. And then lift it up, it's perfect. So, little thing, if you lift it sideways, if you lift it up, as you can see, it lifts a little bit. So, when you go like this, it doesn't lift. When you lift it up, it lifts. And this creates a little pack seal thing that doesn't allow air to pass through. And then when it lifts up, there's a little ball or something inside that lets the air pass through to be able to unsuction this thing. You lift it up, and as you can see, that little thing lifts. You go like this, doesn't lift. And as you can see, there's suction cup technology right here. That allows it not to tip over. Now, the real test is if it tips over when it's on its, I don't even know what to call it, when it tips over when there's something in it. So I'm going to fill up the plasticness in here, and we're going to see what happens. So I'll just be back. I forgot about this instruction manual. You can see their own thing. There's a lot over here. And it's basically the same thing with over there, so I'm just going to read this one. Do not use bleach, blah blah blah. Washington's Mighty Mug before and after use of hot and cold. Expressed uncleed. Blah blah blah. Do not shake when it's filled. Right? Do not microwave. The punch drugs only goes force on the mighty mug. This can cause damage to the mug. So it's basically it's not an actual suction cup. So basically that's it. Now I'm just gonna use this to my advantage. So I'll be back in a second. Mug filled up with healthy water, and right here there's a little spill because shaking it without the top on isn't the best idea, but as you can see, if you have it like this, it won't fall over. But you twist it on. Sort of feel cold, but nothing's leaking out. Hit this as it twists also. Well, I'm gonna go like this. I hit it, and nothing happens. So I mean, it's cool. So this is the Mighty Mug. So please rate, comment, and subscribe.